This icon location demo project, click it. You will see a pairing code as you are seeing here. This pairing code has to be entered into the control panel that I have given to you, but during demo mode it is already paired, so you just need to click on start pairing and it will contact the control panel. Now you can choose the location frequency, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. You can read all this and then we can click on start tracking. A disclaimer is shown. Location demo project collects location data to allow a user to keep a record of the locations that this Android phone travels. So you can go through, you can choose to exit by saying no thanks or turn it on. Then you will have to accept the location permission of the Android phone, I'll say, while using this app. And after some time, a running your this notification will start appearing, a foreground service will start. So this service appears and it will continue to stay. You can turn off the phone, you can turn off the display and this will continue to track. So this is the point that we wanted to make, and now you can click on this to open the window again and you can close, exit. So this is how this all works. Thank you.